Originally, the writ jurisdiction was only granted to the Supreme Court of India. Jurisdiction of the High Courts is much wider than that of the Supreme Court of India. Hello everybody. Another idea that is to be made clear is the writ jurisdiction of the Supreme Court of India and as that of the High Court of India. Originally, the writ jurisdiction was only granted to the Supreme Court of India. However, since the violation of fundamental rights was occurring throughout the country, maybe it is not possible for everybody to approach the Supreme Court for maintaining their fundamental rights. The Parliament of India has modified and granted the power of writ making even to the High Courts of India. Another aspect is that the jurisdiction of the Supreme Court of India is basically confined to the violation of fundamental rights. Whereas in the High Courts can grant writ authority not only for the violation of fundamental rights, encroachment of fundamental rights, but also any executive action on which the citizen has an objection or questions. Therefore, we can say that the jurisdiction of the High Courts is much wider than that of the Supreme Court of India in the grant of writs.